Why wouldn't we do a biography?
Because. Stop. You're such a pain in the ass. I didn't get a butt, guys. Sucks.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
But you're off to the next trip.
I don't want to do that. I have no makeup on.
You're out of focus anyways. This is the real Nicole Spence. Behind the scenes. She's in Lexington, Kentucky right now. Of course you can see we're at a mansion. The only way she would have it.
This is not a mansion.
And then,
This is not a mansion.
what is this? A country cottage?
This is like, yeah, a little.
Okay, so we're in a 3,000,
This is a lodge.
I mean a 3-story, 7,000 square foot lodge. It's not a mansion though. Overlooking a 8-acre lake. Sorry.
8 foot.
But this is her packing all our stuff.
Corn's gonna take this back to his house. It's all my hunting gear from up here. And this is gonna be going with me.
To
South Africa. Some of it.
how hot is it going to be in South Africa when you arrive?
Actually, pretty much all of it. It is going to be, he said, 95 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit.
Is that blanket from one of your sponsors?
No, but apparently the flight over there is 17 hours and it's going to be really cold.
17 hours.
17 hours.
Is it one of the flights where they give you a bed and shower time and all that kind of
I
stuff?
think so.
Wow.
I don't know how that works. I'm going to find out.
Well, you don't take showers every 17 hours anyways. You're more like once a week.
I take 3 showers a day.
Are you one of those people I've seen on the TV where they don't wash their hair but like once a month?
Ew, no.
Did you see that
Every
certain
couple days, though.
Did you see that certain group of people talking about that where they only wash their hair every once in a while?
Check it out, guys.
Ooh. What brand is that?
Cobalt.
What's that brand you're wearing over there right now?
Well, it should be this. It's all on there.
Yes. They're sending a
my
whole...
Koa spear guns while I'm packing.
Are y'all going to spearfish any while you're there?
No. I think he did ask me about that though. But no.
So you're going to
He
hunt?
asked me if I wanted to swim with the, what are those big sharks? The really big great white sharks?
No, you can't swim with the sharks unless you're in a cage.
Right. I'd be in a cage. And I said, I don't know about all that.
So for sure you're hunting and you're going
And
to
I'll
do
be
some offshore fishing.
And then I'm gonna get to go hold the baby lions and tigers and stuff like that. And I will, what else am I doing? Oh, and I'm gonna do freshwater fish. Apparently there's this really cool fish over there. It's a freshwater. So we're gonna do that one of the days.
How many days are you going to be over there?
2 weeks.
Well, that's enough time to get it done.
14 days. 5 days of hunting. They said I would kill between 2 to 3 animals a day, which is craziness to me. I'm like,
Wait to see if this is true or not.
yeah, because I've hunted out here 14 hunts, and I've passed up a couple good bucks, but realistically, the hunting is really hard. It's not easy. So to get told you're gonna kill 2 to 3 animals a day, I'm a little blown away by that. But we'll see.
I wonder what kind of offshore fishing it's going to be. If it's going to be...
Well, they got everything. Marlins, yellowfin.
I know, but I wonder if they're going to take you marlin fishing or they're going to take you like
I think so.
bottom bumping or what.
Not quite sure.
We'll see when we get there.
We will see tomorrow when I get to Mississippi. I'll
Yes.
talk to him about it.
Well, he may not even know. He may just have a trip booked and just do whatever's easiest.
We'll figure it out.
What about petting the lions?
We're gonna do that like one of the first couple days that we land.
So the next time we all see you on camera, you're going to be wearing a bikini. It's going to be 95.
I I probably will want to wear a bikini over there while I'm hunting. Is that legal? Can I wear a bikini while I'm hunting?
I don't know. You might get arrested.
What? Arrested? Why?
Yeah. Well, there's different cultures everywhere you go.
They might like it.
Yeah, but they may not. Maybe like you got to wear dresses to the beach and stuff like that. I don't know.
Oh Lord, I hope not. I like my bikinis way too much. Coleman, what are you doing? That's the famous dog right there. He's awesome. He's awesome. Yeah. You trying to make out with me or what?
Can't believe you didn't catch a fish or kill a deer this week.
No, I really didn't. You guys are all so busy. Nobody paid attention to me. I had to be so self-sufficient. I've never even hunted alone, and I had to hunt alone this whole week.
Oh, bless.
Corn, you were supposed to be hunting with me. What happened?
Well, I was hunting.
Oh, guys, don't let him fool you. He forgot to mention how he hunted one day.
One morning.
And decided to shoot a baby buck at a 9-pointer within the first 3 hours of hunting. So now he's just hanging out, letting everybody else hunt.
Well, at least I don't have to eat tag soup, though. Went ahead and got mine out of the way.
Yep, that is for sure. Lucky you.
We'll see. What's the plans after South Africa?
No official plans, but I've got a client up in Indiana that wants me to come up there and hunt for some big whitetails. I've got a buddy in the Bahamas that wants to take me over there and do some diving, try to get a wahoo on a pole spear. And Corn, I might go help him with the hurricane relief disaster.
Yep, go down there and provide some assistance for people that need some help.
City Beach. He's been helping them for the past month, so when I get back, I might go do that for a little bit. I'm missing Thanksgiving. I'll be in South Africa during Thanksgiving, so eventually I've got to make my way back to see Mom and Dad. Definitely for Christmas. I'm an only child, so they'll be really disappointed if I don't make it there for Christmas.
Hold on, you got to make sure that you go pick up your Christmas presents? Is that what you said? Only child?
I probably won't get anything for Christmas. Realistically, I bought this camera that I'm talking to on by myself. What else? I asked for a gold anklet for my birthday. My dad said he was going to get me one when he finds the right one. But we don't really do Christmas presents anymore. Do you?
So you, yeah. Hell
do
yeah.
Christmas presents?
So you came out of the woods early today. Our guide just stepped in the room and said he's going to help a guy look for a big buck they just shot right here on this farm behind us. Nicole's been hunting this farm like 4 days.
Oh, he shot it out of that
He
blind?
shot it right here.
Out of that blind?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Out of the where I showed you that giant track. That's where he shot him at.
I've been hunting that blind for like the past 5 days.
The guy just walked in here and said he's about to go help him look for it.
I hunted 11 hours the other day and only saw 8 does.
I told you don't come out there every day, but when he does, you got to be there.
I've been out there every day though. What am I supposed to do?
Keep hunting.
We'll be back. Apparently I'm going to have to come back up here because I still haven't got my Kentucky or Ohio buck. Whitetail Heaven buck. I haven't got it, so I got to get it.
Oh, you'll have a Florida buck long before then.
Yeah? What are the rules and regulations for Ohio? Doesn't rifle season open up?
It opens up the week of Thanksgiving, I believe.
Right, so I'll be back what, the week after Thanksgiving, so...
It only lasts like a week or something like that,
Oh,
though.
it's only a week?
It's not a long time.
But then you can still hunt with your bow, right?
Yes.
Guys, I still haven't got I really want to get a doe with my bow, or maybe a buck with the crossbow. If rifle season isn't open anymore, something.
We go to Alabama. You're just gonna get some blood on your hands.
Go to where?
Alabama.
Well, this is the first I'm hearing about this.
Shoot.
Apparently, got an Alabama trip in the works
Shoot
too.
bucks and does every day.
Actually, I've got another a guy that wants me to come up to New York and do some hunting. And then I really want to go duck hunting. I've never been duck hunting.
You better tighten up if you're gonna get all this in during this hunting season.
I know, it's hard. It's hard to get it all in. I mean, I spent, what, a week up here 3 weeks ago. I shouldn't have gone back to Florida. I should have just stayed up here all this month and helped and worked is what I should have done. And then gone to South Africa and then did the other trips. But I went back to Florida for a couple weeks and worked. And it just kind of wasn't worth it. So, it's okay. Next year, there's always next year. Maybe I'll come up here and be in the kitchen. Or I can convince Corn in with me, whatever. You have such a dirty mind. They turn everything around on me. See, this is what happens when you're the only girl at deer camp. It's like, Jesus, they've been picking on me all week and I still didn't get a buck. I just can't win.
You got close. You had that 10 point at 20 yards and they ran him off on accident.
Yeah, guys, I did have a 10 point last Tuesday, so that was almost a week ago. Over here in that stand that guide is saying he's going to go find is probably my dad. One of the guides ran up on me. They were going to go put out corn, didn't realize I was sitting there. And it was about 5:30, so right as the sun was going down, still had plenty of light. I had a big 10 point buck sitting right there, 20 yards, getting ready to shoot him, and they ride up. Yeah. Talk about disappointment. I cried about that one. Definitely hurt my feelings. But what can you do? Life goes on, right?
It always does.
Man, I wonder how much they're gonna charge me to check this in. How much? Will you like test this and see how much it weighs?
Hopefully they don't charge you by the hour, because that poundage on that thing is heavy.
It's not that heavy. You just got done saying there wasn't that much stuff in it. I just don't know how I'm gonna put all my other stuff in it that I'm bringing to South Africa. I'm not a light packer, as you can tell. I gotta have everything. Corn's got a whole back of the truck that's gonna be loaded up with my stuff to take back to Pensacola until I get back from South Africa. We shall see. Stay tuned, guys.
If you have enjoyed these videos, do not forget to hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button to